Ever feel like you're juggling a dozen flaming chainsaws while trying to write a compelling property description, craft the perfect client email, and brainstorm social media ideas all before your morning coffee? What if I told you there's an incredibly witty, always-on assistant ready to catch some of those chainsaws for you? Get ready to supercharge your real estate game with ChatGPT. Now let's dive into Unlock Your AI Superpower, the RCTFC framework. Alright, let's talk about the secret weapon for wielding ChatGPT like a true professional, the RCTFC framework. Think of it as your AI instruction manual, ensuring your digital assistant doesn't just respond, but understands and delivers exactly what you need. It's like giving a perfectly briefed assistant a clear mission, rather than just yelling, "Go!" from across the office. We start with the role. Who do you want ChatGPT to be? An expert copywriter? A lead generation specialist? Then, the context. What's the situation? A new listing? A client follow-up? Next, the task. What exactly do you want done? Write an email? Brainstorm ideas? The format. How should the response be structured? Bullet points? A 3-paragraph email? And finally, the constraints. Any guardrails or specific requirements? Max word count? Tone? Using RCTFC helps you move from vague requests to pinpoint precision, transforming your AI interactions from hit or miss to always a win. Time to put RCTFC into action. Our first lab tackles one of every agent's favorite tasks, crafting that perfect property description. The one that makes buyers fall in love before they even step through the door. For this prompt, we're explicitly asking ChatGPT to don the hat of an expert real estate copywriter. We've given it all the juicy details for our fictional 456 Oakwood Drive in the context, clearly defined the task to write an engaging property description, specified a 3 distinct paragraph format, and added crucial constraints like max word count and what to emphasize and what to omit. This is how you give your AI copilot crystal clear instructions. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Amazing, isn't it? By meticulously defining the role, providing rich context, specifying the task, outlining the desired format, and adding those all-important constraints, we don't just get text. We get a perfectly tailored, emotionally resonant property description. The AI understood to weave in keywords like gourmet kitchen and meticulously landscaped backyard naturally, not just list them. It even captured the desired tone of inviting yet professional, all thanks to those clear guardrails we set. This shows how being specific up front saves you endless rounds of editing later. It's like ChatGPT became your personal wordsmith, crafting prose that truly shines, freeing you up to do what you do best: sell. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool when given the right instructions. Now let's dive into Client Communication Revolutionized. Let's face it, client communication is the heartbeat of real estate, but drafting personalized emails for every single lead, follow-up, and update can feel like a full-time job in itself. And let's be honest, sometimes those emails end up sounding a bit generic. But what if you could maintain that personal touch without sacrificing your entire afternoons? This is where ChatGPT shines. It's like having a super savvy virtual assistant who remembers every detail and can craft compelling, personalized outreach in seconds. Imagine sending truly tailored follow-ups after an open house, remembering what each client loved, or drafting a thoughtful check-in email that resonates, all without breaking a sweat. ChatGPT can help you nurture leads and strengthen relationships like never before, scaling your personal touch to epic proportions. Now for lab number 2. We're diving into crafting personalized client communications, because a generic "thanks for coming" email just won't cut it in today's market, right? For this prompt, our AI takes on the friendly and professional real estate agent role. The context is crucial. We've embedded specific details about Sarah Miller and her interest in the living room and dog parks. The task is clear. Draft a personalized follow-up email. We've specified a warm and professional format with a clear subject line and added constraints to mention specific interests, include a placeholder link, and offer a next step without being pushy. This specificity is gold. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Voila! A personalized email that hits all the right notes. Did you see how ChatGPT seamlessly integrated Sarah's specific interests, the sun-drenched living room, and local dog parks, into a naturally flowing message? That's the magic of precise context in action. Instead of a bland form letter, Sarah receives an email that makes her feel truly heard and valued, because we fed the AI those crucial personal details. By setting the role and constraints for tone, we ensured the email was both enthusiastic and professional, not overly salesy. This kind of targeted communication helps you stand out in a crowded market and build stronger client relationships, all while giving you back precious time. You're not just sending emails, you're building rapport, one smart prompt at a time. Elevate your client relationships by streamlining your communication. Now let's dive into Marketing Content Creation Unleashed. Let's talk about flexing those marketing muscles. In today's digital landscape, a real estate agent's online presence is just as important as their physical one. But coming up with fresh, engaging ideas for social media posts, blog articles, or local market updates can feel like a constant creative sprint. Sometimes the well just feels, well, a little dry. Enter ChatGPT, your personal brainstorming guru. It's like having a creative agency on call 24/7, ready to spin out a wealth of ideas adapted for different platforms and audiences. Whether you need catchy Instagram captions, insightful blog post topics about market trends, or clever ways to highlight a neighborhood, ChatGPT can be your endless fount of inspiration. This means less time staring at a blank screen and more time captivating your audience and growing your brand. Alright, for our third and final lab, we're unleashing ChatGPT on your marketing and content creation. Let's get those social media feeds buzzing. For this prompt, our AI is our savvy social media strategist. The context provides the key local trend for Harmonyville, softening interest rates and diverse inventory, a goldmine for first-time buyers. The task is specific. Generate 3 Instagram post ideas, complete with captions and hashtags. We've ensured a clear numbered list format and added constraints to keep the tone encouraging. Include calls to action and use positive, relatable language. This is how you fuel your content calendar with creative sparks. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. How brilliant were those Instagram post ideas? By giving ChatGPT the role of a savvy social media strategist and a clear context about Harmonyville's market trends, it didn't just list facts, it translated them into genuinely engaging, actionable content for first-time homebuyers. The AI understood to craft captions that were both informative and encouraging, complete with relevant hashtags and calls to action, all thanks to those specific constraints. This example truly demonstrates how intelligent prompting can transform a generic AI into a specialized content creator. You've just unlocked the power to fill your social media schedule with compelling content, keeping your audience engaged and your brand top of mind, without the usual creative struggle. That's smart marketing in action. Supercharge your marketing efforts and captivate your audience. Embrace AI as your trusted co-pilot, not a replacement. Wow, what a journey. We've seen how ChatGPT, guided by the mighty RCTFC framework, can transform the daily grind of real estate into a streamlined, more strategic operation. From crafting captivating property descriptions that make homes sing, to sending personalized client emails that build genuine rapport, and even brainstorming endless brilliant marketing ideas that keep you top of mind, your AI co-pilot is ready for anything. Remember, ChatGPT isn't here to replace your intuition, your hustle, or your incredible human touch. It's here to amplify it. It's about taking those mundane, time-consuming tasks off your plate so you can do what you do best: connect with people, close deals, and build a truly remarkable real estate career. You're not just selling homes, you're selling smarter, with a dash of AI brilliance. Now go forth and conquer. So you've seen how ChatGPT can be your ultimate real estate wing person. Don't let these smart selling strategies just be a screen memories. Subscribe for more game-changing insights, share these lab guides with your real estate squad, and drop your aha moments or burning questions in the comments below. Remember, the future of real estate is bright, and you're leading the charge. What's the very first task you're going to hand over to your new AI